In today's lesson, we have this problem on probability without replacement. It says a bag contains 5 red, look at it, it contains 5 red and 5 blue identical balls. 3 balls are selected at random. N here is equals to 3 without replacement. Mark this word. They are selected at random without replacement. We are to determine the probability of selecting balls alternatingly in color. Now the first thing is, how many types of balls do we have? We have 2 types. So, to select these balls without replacement and to select them alternatingly, look at it, they are selected alternatingly. That means, if the first ball is red, since it's alternating, the second ball will be what? Blue. And the third ball will be red. The other alternative, which now joins to an OR, is if the first ball is blue, the second will be red, and the third will be blue. Now, since we have a conjunction which is an OR will always replace it in probability with an addition. And since between the red, blue, and red, what we have is an AND, I'll pick the probability of red times that of blue times that of red, or that's a plus, the probability of blue again times that of red times that of blue. And let's get started. Now, how many red balls do I have? I have 5 red balls. How many red balls do I have in total? I have 10 balls. So the probability of having my first ball here to be red will be the same thing as 5 over 10 times the probability of selecting a blue ball. Now we have selected the first ball, then we have how many left? 9. So I'll pick 5 over 9. And lastly, the probability of selecting the last ball here to be red will be the same thing as, since I've removed one of the balls here as red, I'm having how many left? 4. And how many balls am I having left in total? 8. So the probability of selecting this red last ball to be red will be 4 over 8. Now, a plus. Let me group them together. Now, the probability of having my first ball this time around to be blue, we have our set of balls back. I have 5 red balls and I have 5 blue balls. The probability of having the first ball now to be blue will be 5 over 10. That's 5 over 10. I still have 5 red balls, but I have 9 balls in total. The probability of having a red ball now will be times 5 over 9. And the probability of having my last ball now to be blue again will be 4 over 8. Remember, I have taken out 1 blue ball initially, so I'm left with 4 blue balls. I've taken out 1 red ball, I'm left with 4 red balls. That's 8 in total. That will be 4 over 8. Now I can do my calculations. 5 here is 1, 5 here is 2. 4 here is 1, 4 here is 2. 5 here once again is 1, 5 here is 2. 4 here is 1, 4 here is 2. So that I have 1 over 2 times 5 over 9 times 1 over 2. Bracket close. Plus 1 over 2 times 5 over 9 times 1 over 2. So that this becomes the same thing as, or let me just use this place. That will be 1 over 2 times 1 over 2, that's 1 over 4, times that will be 5 over 36, times, or plus, sorry, this is plus 5 over 36. That's same thing as 2 into 5 over 36, because this is 5 over 36 plus 5, that's 2 into 5 over 36. 5 here is 1, 2 here is 1, 2 here is 18. My answer is same thing as 5 over 18. With this, I hope you understand how to treat probability without replacement. Thank you for staying with us and see you in our next class.